At its beginning, industrial telemetry invariably involved one or more primitive sensors connected to a data gatherer, connected to a dial-up modem, all hardwired and all mains powered. The data itself was basic, recording a temperature or conveying, "Is there a leak?" The hardware required to obtain this even rudimentary data set was expensive. The communications infrastructure strived to transport data cost effectively and reliably, yet often achieved neither. In the following years, we saw the cloud deployment methodology move from dial-up to broadband for local monitoring, and GSM GPRS truly released sensors, allowing them to be placed in remote applications where, as battery technology improved, the need for hardwired power and communications diminished. However, the cost of the hardware, early cellular data connectivity, and batteries still made this solution unviable for many applications. In the last decade, embedded computing technology driving industrial telemetry has evolved rapidly, driving down hardware costs. Many today like to talk about the revolution of IoT, particularly those once outside of the industry who, through wanting to cloud connect their devices, are now a new part of it. For me, IoT, and its specifically industrial subset IIoT, are merely evolutions and rebranding of existing technologies that us die-hard embedded folks have been knee-deep in since the turn of the century. The major change I have seen with the IoT revolution is that industry, traditionally and purposely a few years behind mainstream computing, is now transforming and is breaking new technology barriers, but at a cost. What once was the low-risk deployment of mature, mainstream, proven technology now sees us as the beta testers and for industrial telemetry. Those at the front end of deploying industrial telemetry systems are dazzled by the promise of narrowband cellular technologies. Particularly in Europe with narrowband IoT, the promise is near 100% coverage, above, on or underground, with near zero transmission cost and power consumption. The power, high on performance functionality, ultra low on operating consumption, of today's core processors finally brings the cost of ownership down to levels accessible by almost anyone.